In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Monday.com. Connecting these two tools lets your team see updates and alerts right where conversations happen, which cuts down on switching between apps. Before we start, make sure you can install apps in your Monday.com account and that you know which workspace you want to use. Having the right permissions will keep things smooth. First, go to Monday.com and sign into your account. Open it in your preferred browser and confirm you're in the correct Monday.com workspace where you want the integration to live. If your company uses multiple accounts, take a second to check the workspace name in the header so you don't install the app in the wrong place. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the puzzle-shaped icon. This opens the Apps Marketplace, which is where all Monday.com integrations and add-ons live. You'll see a search bar at the top, along with featured apps and categories that you can browse. In the search bar, type Slack. As the results appear, find the official Slack app listing. The card will include the name, an icon, and a short description. Click the Slack result to open its details page. Here you can review what the app does, see screenshots, and read about the permissions it needs so you know exactly what will be connected. On the Slack app page, click Install App. After you select Install, you may see a quick confirmation window asking you to approve the requested permissions. That's normal. Review and continue so Monday.com can communicate with Slack securely. If your organization restricts installations, you might be prompted to request approval from an admin. That's expected in some workspaces. When the installation completes, you're ready to use Slack with Monday.com. From here, you can create automations that send board updates to Slack channels or get notified in Slack when items change status, all from within Monday.com. If you don't see the new options right away, refresh your browser tab and they should appear. It also helps to make sure you're signed into the correct Slack workspace in your browser, especially if you're a member of more than one. If the Slack app doesn't show up in search, double check your spelling and try the marketplace again. And if the install button is disabled, it usually means you need approval from a workspace admin. And that's it. You've signed in, opened the apps marketplace, searched for Slack, selected the Slack app, and installed it. Thanks for watching and enjoy the smoother workflows between Monday.com and Slack.